Hello everyone. In this session we will install IntelliJ Community Edition, and once IntelliJ installed we will install GitHub Copilot in IntelliJ. So let's get started. First go to Google and search for IntelliJ and click on first link. Once you are into the IntelliJ site, go down and click on Community Edition download button. After download, let's install it. I will right-click on it and select Run as Administrator, and then follow the wizard to install it. I will select these three checkboxes and then click Next. This is going to take time, so I am pausing the video over here. Once installation done, I will come back. So guys, my installation is done. Let's open the IntelliJ and create one project. So here I am created a new project called GitHub Copilot Demo. Now next let's install GitHub Copilot in IntelliJ. So to install GitHub Copilot in IntelliJ, click on this breadcrumb and select File menu, then select Settings and go to Plugins and search for Copilot. Here you will see the plugin called GitHub Copilot. You need to click on Install button. For my case it is not showing as I have already installed. Once installation done, you will get the GitHub Copilot sign-in option. If you are not getting this option, you need to go to Tool and select GitHub Copilot and select Login option. I have signed now with my credential and I am ready to use GitHub Copilot in IntelliJ. So let's test it. To test, let's open the GitHub Copilot chat. To open GitHub Copilot chat, go to Tools and select Chat. And in the chat window, I will ask for Java code for Fibonacci series. And you will notice that it has returned me the requested code. This is amazing. We are all set to start our pair programming with IntelliJ. On this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session.